WFXR's Michael Doty headed down to Southside to hear from South Boston residents about the future of health care in their region.
Eileen O'Grady with Public Citizen, which calls itself a nonprofit consumer advocacy group, posted an article in late March highlighting what she says are future impacts of Medicaid cuts on local hospitals across the country over the next decade. Based on her findings, she believes 10 local hospitals in Virginia are at risk of closure from these changes. One of the hospitals on the list was Sentara Halifax Regional Hospital in South Boston.
I just think they should try to at least keep it here, and it's right here in town. You know, we already don't have a lot of stuff here anyway, so just try to keep it here.
If Sentara closed, the closest hospital options for people in South Boston would be in Danville or Roxborough, North Carolina. Both are more than 30 minutes away.
South Boston is a place where there's a lot of elderly people that live here, and not having close emergency medical assistance or access is it's uncalled for.
South Boston's residents say many of their neighbors already have trouble making ends meet and say changes to Medicaid at the federal level could make that worse.
There's a lot of people around here who really they can't afford their medical. I think it's ridiculous that they are taking their medical away, because like that, it takes hospitals away. It takes doctors away. I mean, we already have enough doctors leaving.
The report even caught the attention of Virginia Senators Mark Warner and Tim Kaine. Neither were available for comment Friday, but were quoted saying they oppose this because it contributes to tax cuts for the rich, while the rest of Virginia pays the price. In a statement from Sentara, spokesperson Mike Kafka says Sentara will continue to serve the communities who rely on it, advocate those without a voice, and work alongside federal leaders, nonprofit partners, and fellow health systems to navigate the road ahead. He says there are no plans to close Halifax Regional or its Northern Virginia Medical Center in Woodbridge. It's important to note that the following changes in that funding bill, the Trump administration announced additional money for rural health care in what they call the Rural Health Transformation Program. Reporting in South Boston, Michael Doty, WFXR News.